Hey creative family, today we're going to be making a balloon topiary. It is so elegant and simple. You will want to stick around for the entire video if you are into decor. We're going to jump right in, guys. This is a awesome piece to use at any event. So stick around. Let's get going. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, guys, so here are the items I'm using. I had some old balloons, but they're really pretty. And guys, I think I actually got these from Amazon. And they were only like $9.99 a bag. The pink ones are Tough Techs that are in there, so I'm just repurposing those. I had them from an event. I got a couple of teddy bears, my balloon pump, my balloon sizer. I think I'm gonna go with maybe 8-inch this time instead of 9-inch balloons. I got some pink curtains. That's the packaging. They came from Amazon. They're sheer, so I may have to double it. And then I just have some flowers here. My flowers are some pampas grass stems, some dried pampas grass, some roses, a bunch from this one's from the Dollar Tree, and I think I have some other ones that are from I think I have some others that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to just work with this and maybe do 2 different looks. And we're going to jump right in. Here we go. Okay, Team Creative. So before I start, I just want to show you guys what I'm using as my base. This is a lamp pole that I purchased. And it's got some weight to the bottom there. I sprayed it metallic gold just because I didn't like it was black. And then, of course, these are my sheer curtains. Now, what I did was took this curtain and wrapped it around the top of the pole. And I've made a knot here. I'm hoping my knot is not going to be too thick. My curtains are sheer. Preferably, I would prefer to have a curtain that is not sheer for this. I had these at home. So I do have a second panel that I'm going to show you guys how I wrap and just go around the top of this so you guys can see as I do it. So I am going to hopefully, okay now guys, I hope you guys can see this, but this is the top of the pole. I'm going to go ahead and add this. Like I said, actually you should probably do this with curtains that are not sheer, just because it would give it a fuller look. These are long, so what I did first was just wrap. And then I pulled up on the top and overlapped a little bit after I got it wrapped around. And I'm going to go ahead and add this one just because I want a little more coverage. And then you just have to fluff it out at the bottom. So I'm going to go around. And I'm trying to get this as tight as I possibly can, because I do have to sit my balloons down on here. And so I'm going to, again, pull up a little bit, just to get it to the length that I want it to flow to at the bottom of the pole. And you can go one from the back and one to the front. That way it falls over the pole. Okay. I think that's going to be, I actually could probably go up a little bit more in height to pull it up off the floor just a little bit more. But I am getting some thickness. Okay. So I'm going to secure this for now. If I have to adjust it, I will. Pull that around and make it tight with my rubber band. And just secure it. Which is just going to provide protection for the balloons as well when you start to apply them, to keep them from bursting as you do it. So I'm going to give you guys a little zoom in here on the bottom. So if you can see how it kind of drapes the bottom of the pole, it gives it a sheer look. There we go. So you have a sheer draped pole. There's my top. And then I'm going to do my balloons and just show you guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to move this back. And now I am going to do my balloons. I have some 5-inch, but these are 12 that I'm only gonna go, I think I'm gonna go with my balloon sizer to an 8-inch because I don't want this too big. So I have my balloon pump. See that color, guys? That is absolutely gorgeous in color. I think I'm gonna go with 9. I said 8, but yeah, I'll stay with 8. So just using my balloon sizer, going in. If you don't have a, you definitely want to push on it to round it out. Let some air out. Go in your balloon sizer. It doesn't have to be perfect as far as you twist around, guys, twice. It doesn't have to be perfect as far as the size. You can eyeball if you do not have a balloon sizer. I've got to find these balloons again, guys. I kept the bag for the company. I'm going to go back through my Amazon and I will post them for you because they are so pretty. And I'm actually going to do, I'm going to start with 6 sets of these. I may need more. I may go up to, I might can get 12 in a bundle. But I'll let you guys know. So I'm going to blow up all my balloons and then I'll bring you guys in as I connect. Okay, guys, so I have the balloons blown up. I did 6 sets here, and I'm just gonna take and pull these in. This is gonna make the quad, and then I'm just going to keep adding them and putting them into the center of the base. And you can do this whatever size you want to do it. You can do it larger, smaller. You can add balloons and make it more organic. I'm going to move my colors around because I got a couple right there together. And I think I'm going to leave it this size just for the purpose of the video. I could do it actually bigger, but I'm not. And I hope you guys can see this. So I'm just going to slide that down onto there. I'm going to have to adjust to bring you guys in. So I am going to go ahead and straddle this little fella into my balloon. Because it's hard to do when he's up top. So if I do it now, I don't have to struggle or be on a ladder. So I kind of got him, if you can see, he's kind of centered. And I could actually do him bigger, but he looks like he's sitting over in a cloud, which is so cute. I'm going to put him back up top. Alright guys, so here we are. The final product turned out absolutely gorgeous. It is so cute, guys. You have your touch of pampas grass. You have your soft flowers there to make it soft and gives it that simple feel and of elegance. And then I had a little sign that I just grabbed and put here with it. And so you could do it for an entryway. Of course, if I did this for a client, I would definitely make sure that if I did this for a client, guys, I will make sure that my stand here is taller. This is a shorter easel that I had, so it's not quite as high as I want, but I would probably have it a little higher, of course. But I think it turned out really, really nice. But for the most part, guys, it is doable. So I just wanted to show you guys. I did this here in my living room today. It is cold, snowy day, and I just wanted to give you guys a clip of this. So I hope you like. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to get out of here, guys, because I do have a big event next week that I need to do some preparing for. But thanks for joining me. Please click that subscribe button and join Team Creative. I will see you guys in the next video. Be blessed.